Hey, g'day folks, welcome aboard, back to another video of mine. Today I am fitting 2 lithium batteries into a space at the moment where there's only a tray that suits one. So I've got to do a little bit of a modification. I'm not going to cut out the old single tray. I'm going to place 2 trays over the top of it. The tray that's in there is pretty well welded properly to the boat, and it's not going to break, so I'm going to use that as my base for the 2 lithium batteries, which are a little bit lighter than a normal lead acid battery. And I've already made some trays up and just sanded the edges, rounded and smoothed everything so that it's all nice. These are the excuse me, I've made 2 of the trays up, but how I'm going to mount them is the more difficult part, but I have thought about that and sorted it out. So I've made these little brackets, which I haven't cleaned up any of the edges on it. I will do. One is for the front and one is for the back. Basically, the tray is going to fit down inside. I'll show you. Fit down inside 2 trays side by side, and I will, because I have to weld it in position inside the boat, that's what's making this difficult for me. I have to weld some brackets in place, leave enough room on the brackets so that I can put these trays in and weld to my brackets. A little bit of a complicated setup, but we got the technology and we can do it. So come and have a look at the job. So here is the job. You can see there we've got the single battery tray, and what we need to have is there's not enough room to put another battery tray over the top of it, and this one is welded down. It's got some gussets down the side here and some gussets down this side here, as well as it being onto this central member here, which is fully welded there, here, underneath this, and to the back as well. So it's quite strongly built. And what I propose to do is put the 2 trays in like so, and then with one of these pieces I want to sit that across the front there and get a full weld across the bottom there, and then get a full weld across here and across here to hold the battery trays in place. And then same goes for the back section. This drops down in behind here, and it needs to sit up higher than the tray because I can't get down the bottom to weld it once the trays are in. So what I have to do is basically weld this bracket into position before I bring in the trays, before I bring them in. So let's take those trays out. I need to get in there and weld this into position. This is 4mm material. It's well and truly strong enough to do the job it needs to do. I'm going to try to sneak this as far forward as I can so that I do get some sort of lateral weld on here as well, on both sides, as well as across the bottom. And then when I put the tray in, I just butt the tray up and I put a weld across there. So I've removed all the paint off where the welds are going to go, as well as in front here. Removed all the paint. And I'm just going to start welding it out very soon. Well, that's it, folks. I welded it out. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Well, hang on. Have you seen it yet? You better come inside and have a look at what we've done, all right? Come on. Check it out. We've got a dual battery box, or dual battery mounts, and the way that we had to mount them, she's all done, she's all finished. The hardest part was yogering myself to get in there and weld everything that needed to be welded. So again, thanks for watching me, and if there's any ideas that you like, let me know in the comments, and thank you for watching. I'll see you again next time.